Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Twitch error message that the video download was canceled. Please try again, error message number 1000. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up whatever web browser you're experiencing the issue with. So just go ahead and open that up, and you want to select the settings icon. Select More Tools, assuming you're on Google Chrome, which most of you guys are, and you want to select Clear Browsing Data. We're going to clear the cached images and files. In the time range, we're going to go back all time. Select Clear Data, and then once it's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then relaunch Chrome or whatever browser you're having the problem with. You just want to clear the cache in whatever browser you're experiencing the issue with, as you saw I demonstrated in Chrome, and then hopefully your problem has been resolved. If you're still having an issue, we can go a step further and open up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Proceed to close out of here and then restart your device. And then hopefully at this point, if you go back on Twitch, your problem should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.